Hello friends, today I'd like to share the story Where Butterflies Grow. I love this story because it uses our imagination to imagine what it would be like to be a tiny caterpillar growing up through the different stages from egg to caterpillar to pupa, spinning a chrysalis, to emerging as an adult butterfly. This amazing process of metamorphosis is one of the wondrous things that we can encounter in our gardening world. Let's find out and put our imagination to work to find out what it would be like to become a butterfly. This is a growing place, green and warm and bright. Lift up a leaf and you might find someone ready to be born. Lift up a leaf and imagine. Imagine you are someone small, hidden in a tiny egg, growing bigger, growing darker, until one hot morning you burst your shell and creep into brightness. So here's the little egg on a leaf. And now the caterpillar hatches and goes to work eating all those leaves to get the strength to be big enough to spin its chrysalis. Imagine you are a creeper, thin and dark, living on a long, lacy leaf. When the wind tickles the leaf, you and your world shake. But you have feet, 2 rows of creeper feet that hold on tight and keep you safe. Like a tiny acrobat, you creep, balancing and dangling high above the earth below. And look at all the other animals that share your beautiful world. As you move, your soft, long body ripples, flowing slowly along green stems. You climbed up the stems and eat the leaves. As you grow, you climb higher and higher, where flowers spread like umbrellas. You nibble and eat the tiny white flowers. You eat and eat till your skin feels tight. Underneath, you have a new, bigger skin to grow into. You swallow air, puffing up and up till your tight skin splits. Old and wrinkled, it falls away like cast-off clothes. Look at you now in a new striped suit. So you've molted your old skin. In this sunny place, you eat and rest and grow, but others are growing too. You feel one coming close, and you rear up. An orange horn shoot out of the top of your head. A strong scent puffs into the air. You look so fierce, the hungry one darts away, hoping to find a better tasting meal. You looked quite ferocious. You grow and grow, fat and full of flowers, until one day you stop looking for food. You creep along the ground, moving as fast as you can, hunting for some place tall and firm. You climb up a bare brown branch and make a silken sling to rest in. Time for the next stage of your life. Then you curl and stretch till your old skin splits loose. You wiggle, shaking your striped skin down and down till it falls away. No longer a creeper, you rest. So it's in the pupa stage of its life. In the green and growing place you are hidden, hard to see or find, resting through the long, warm days. Hungry ones come near, but you are safe, looking like a small brown twig. Hidden inside, you are changing, growing new long legs, growing new wide wings, covered with tiny scales of color. Inside that chrysalis, the little caterpillar completely dissolves and reforms itself into a butterfly. As you change, you turn darker, revealing your black wings, black body, bright yellow spots all tucked inside until one morning you're ready to burst your twig-like shell. See how it's become almost completely transparent, and now it splits open and the new butterfly emerges from the old chrysalis. Its transformation is complete. You crawl out wet, crumpled, and new. You dangle high on long, long legs and hang on tight. Your forewings slowly unfold, growing larger, growing brighter, full of bold colors. You wait, moving your wings, drying them, feeling them grow stronger and harder till a warm wind tickles you. Spreading your wings wide, you let go and fly higher and higher. Imagine how exciting it would be. You drift above the flowers, light and fragile like them. You touch nothing but sky, flying far above the ground. Then you fly low from bright flower to bright flower, landing gently on the soft petals. Tasting sweetness with your feet, you sip the sweet nectar through your long curled tongue. That long curled tongue straightens out like a straw to sip that sweet nectar from this field of clover. You soar over the bare branch where you rested, far above the growing place where you crept from leaf to leaf and flower to flower. These long summer days you have grown and changed, and your world has grown too. Now it's time to fly to new places, time to look for others like yourself, bright flyers in the sun. Fly, butterfly, goodbye. I always think of butterflies as flying flowers. They have a special partnership with the flowers that they pollinate. And because of their gift of pollination, the flowers produce those seeds so that they can grow new plants next year. The butterflies lay their eggs on certain plants called host plants, and each butterfly has a special kind of host plant that they lay their eggs on. When the egg hatches, the caterpillar will eat that host plant in order to go through its stages of growth, shedding, or what we call molting, each stage until it's big enough for its pupa stage when it spins its chrysalis. And inside that chrysalis, the little caterpillar completely dissolves and reforms itself into a beautiful butterfly. Then after about 2 weeks, it is ready to crack open that chrysalis and emerge as an adult butterfly, ready to go out and help Mother Earth through its gift of pollination, sipping the sweet nectar of the flowers, carrying the pollen granules from flower to flower, performing its beautiful partnership with the plants that grow in the garden. We all depend on butterflies and bees and birds and other pollinators to perform this beautiful act of pollination that ensures that we can always grow new plants on our beautiful Mother Earth. Thank you, butterflies. Flutter by and be free.